Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you 8 settings you should change right now on Apple Watch SE. So first, go into the settings, then the battery, and the low power mode enable. Next thing is back on the settings, find the hand washing and here enable the hand washing timer. The Apple Watch will detect when you're washing your hands and start a 20-second timer. Next thing is always on display. Here on display and brightness you have always on. Next thing, let me back and go into accessibility, and here we have the reduced motion option. This option will reduce the animation on your interface. Back and find the focus mode right here, and here you can mirror your iPhone focus mode. Then find the sounds and haptics, and here you have the haptics and you can change the vibration pattern. Go back and go into the display and brightness once again, and here we have wake on crown rotation, and the last setting is right in here. When you scroll all the way down and select the list view, you have all the apps in a list. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.